Hello everyone, this is me Uzma Zahir here again sharing my fitness journey with you guys. So in my last video I have explained why I have decided to lose weight, but in my this video I am going to share how I lost weight. What helped me the most? So let's get started with a small intro. माई लास्ट वीडियो तो वहाँ पे मैंने शेयर किया था हाउ आई हैव लॉस्ट वेट अलॉन्ग विथ शाटिका. येस आई एम शाटिका पेशेंट, बट मैंने इसको कोई ऑब्स्टिकल नहीं बनाया, कोई हडल नहीं बनाया, और मैंने अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट की विदाउट गेटिंग डिप्रेस्ड और विदाउट फीलिंग बैड. So not going into further details, let's get started with things that helped me the most. And I am sure ये सारी चीज़ें आप लोगों के बहुत काम आएंगी in your fitness journey. So number one thing that has worked for me is a change of my mindset. Yes, in my past I used to do workouts, intensive workouts. I used to do random diets and I gave up in the middle of it. Reason being, गोल हमेशा लीन होना था, हमेशा स्किनी होना था, हमेशा सोसाइटी का प्रेशर था दैट यू आर गेनिंग टू मच, ओ माई गॉड यू आर लुकिंग डबल ऑफ योर एज. गोल कभी भी ये नहीं रहा कि यू शुड फील हेल्दी, you should feel proud of your body. But that time I decided to work on my mindset. Now the goal is not about, to look good only. It was about to feel good. It was about my inner satisfaction. It was about my own health. ये चीज़ें चेंज हुई, माइंडसेट चेंज हुआ, बाकी चीज़ें भी अचीव होती ही चली गई, बिलीव मी. तो यू शुड बी प्राउड ऑफ योर ओन बॉडी, no matter what shape it has. Be comfortable in your own skin. And once you will change your mindset, I am telling you, you have no idea. Your brain is so powerful. So love your body no matter what shape it has. You don't need to get the pressure from the society कि आपने ये कर लेना है, आप ये ऐसा हो जाएं, वैसा हो जाएं. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं करें. Just work on your mindset. Set your goals. What is important for you? The second step that has worked for me is being consistent. Yes, consistency is the key to anything. So remain consistent with your fitness goals. Decide what you want. Your goal should be, look healthy, stay fit, and remain consistent to it. I'm going to share some examples so that you can have the better idea. For example, you are invited at someone's house, friends or family, and they offer you like cold drink or tea with full of sugar. Say no. Yes. Say no, but politely. मना कर दें आप. Just, have simple water. You have to be consistent with your fitness goals. आपने मना कर दिया, आपने सिंपल पानी को चूज़ किया over, fizzy drinks or tea or coffee. उसके बाद if they are offering food, then choose some healthy options from the table. इसका मतलब बिल्कुल भी ये नहीं है कि you should ask them to bring healthy, लेकिन कोशिश आपकी यही होनी चाहिए कि जो सिंपलेस्ट और जो हेल्दी ऑप्शन अवेलेबल हो आप उसे चूज़ करें. ये ना सोचें कि यार एक समोसा खा लेते हैं उससे क्या होगा. आपके बैक ऑफ द माइंड ये चीज़ चलनी चाहिए कि यार इज़ इट वर्थ हैविंग समोसा, इज़ दिस कैलोरी वर्थ हैविंग. तो वंस यू विल बी कंसिस्टेंट विद योर फिटनेस गोल्स, you will see the magic begin. For example, I have another interesting example. Just like my husband loves to eat biryani. जिस तरह हमारे यहाँ पाकिस्तान में every other person is a biryani lover. So sometimes when he is having it or when he offers me, I say no. रीज़न यही है कि मैंने माइंडसेट अपना इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लिया है कि नथिंग कैन चेंज इट. मेरी क्रेविंग खुद ही इतनी ख़त्म हो गई हैं कि आई डोंट इवन फील लाइक हैविंग इट. आई मेक माई फूड वेरी प्यार से एंड वेरी अट्रैक्टिव so that I feel like having it. I love to eat my healthy meals. मुझे पता होता है कि I am doing good with my body and my body is going to love me for this. हमारे यहाँ एक मसला ये भी है कि इफ़ यू are married, you are not going to give yourself proper time and proper care. I am especially talking about girls in our society. और अगर आप उनको कहते भी हैं कि यार ये क्या हो गया, पहले तो तुम ऐसी थी, तो आगे से जवाब आता है यार अब तो शादी हो गई है, शादी हो गई है तो जिम्मेदारियां बढ़ चुकी हैं. यू शुड गिव प्रॉपर टाइम टू योर सेल्फ. अपने आप को टाइम देंगे, अपनी केयर करेंगे तो आप दूसरे लोगों की केयर अच्छे तरीके से कर पाएंगे. सो गिव योर सेल्फ प्रॉपर टाइम एंड प्रॉपर केयर. Here comes the next point, that is portion control. Very important point. Even if you are a busy person who does not have extra time to cook for yourself, then try to limit your portions with whatever is available at home. That doesn't mean that your family is having a pizza party and you are thinking that I am going to have 3 slices instead of 4. No, that is not controlling your portions. Say no to junk food. It's a big no. Just experiment it for some months. Just say to yourself that I'm not going to eat any junk food. After 3 months you will see your body will not accept it even. I have tried it. I am a food lover and a diehard fan of KFC chicken. Lekin after 3 months when I tried it for the first time, believe me, I didn't feel like eating it. I was feeling guilty that why I had it, and my stomach was acting weird. I felt bloated. I didn't feel good at that day, and I was saying to myself that why I had it. I don't eat junk now. I don't feel like even having it. For example, if you are a working person or you don't have enough time to cook for yourself, and for example that there's only one dish available of rice only, so what you can have, you can only take 8 spoons of rice with lots of gravy available, or with some proteins like chicken pieces or meat pieces, and one small bowl of salad. It will be a balanced meal and you will feel good. That is what you call portion controlling. Just to discard all of the junk available at your house right now. Put it in the box and throw it away, or you can give it to someone else. Simple सा फंडा है, out of sight, out of mind. So stop eating junk. Stop eating all artificial foods. Stop eating food that are, that contains preservatives. Don't go for it. Water, the most important part of any diet to be followed. वाटर इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर हेल्थ, फॉर योर गट हेल्थ. अगर आपकी गट हेल्थ अच्छी है तो आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म अच्छा रहेगा, और मेटाबॉलिज्म अच्छा रहेगा तो आप अपने सारे फिटनेस गोल्स इजीली अचीव कर सकते हैं. यू कैन कैलकुलेट हाउ मच वाटर यू शुड टेक बाय कैलकुलेटिंग योर BMI. जस्ट गो ऑन गूगल एंड टाइप BMI एंड कैलकुलेट योर BMI. तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि हाउ मच वाटर यू शुड कंज्यूम इन अ डे. वैसे रिकमेंडेड ये है, और मैं आपको रिकमेंड करूँगी कि यू शुड हैव 3 liters वाटर पर डे. इट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ. आई स्टार्ट माई डे बाय हैविंग 2 glasses ऑफ वार्म वाटर अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. उसके हाफ एन आवर बाद आई हैव माई ब्रेकफास्ट अलॉन्ग विद कॉफ़ी और टी. वाटर इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर स्टमक, फॉर योर हेल्थ. मुझे याद है कि पहले मेरा वाटर इंटेक बहुत कम था. मैंने अपनी आसानी के लिए क्या किया कि आई बॉट अ वाटर बॉटल जिसमें मेंशन था कि इट इज़ ऑफ 1.5 liters. तो वो 2 bottles मैं पूरे दिन में ख़त्म करती ही हूँ, नो मैटर वॉट. और इवन इफ आई एम ट्रैवलिंग, आई जस्ट टेक इट अलॉन्ग विद मी सो दैट आई कैन हैव इट every time. I don't know many of you know about this, but the coming thing has worked for me magically. That is, switch your whites with your brown. I'm going to explain how. Like if you are having white rice, so switch it with brown rice, or switch your white bread with brown bread. Switch your white sugar with good, that is jaggery, with honey, with dates. Switch your normal salt with pink salt. You can have it by the name of Himalayan pink salt. तो ये सिर्फ डाइट के लिए नहीं, ये आपकी ओवरऑल हेल्थ के लिए बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें हैं. से नो टू रैंडम और फैट डाइट्स. से जस्ट नो टू इट. आई एम श्योर कि हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा उसको फॉलो नहीं कर सकते. लाइक we cannot go fancy. We can, start our diet or start having proper food by choosing what is available locally. Like, avocados or, blueberries are not easily available here. So, go with the simplest options available at your house, like eggs, roti, brown rice, or simple veggies, or proteins like shami kebab, seekh kebab, dalein, red kidney beans, and options are limitless. Believe me, options are limitless. I just wanted to say that you cannot deprive yourself of food, obviously, for obvious reasons. You crave for it, but make it healthy in your own way. You should plan it a day before, like when you are going to sleep, to just give yourself 10 minutes and write it down at somewhere, and the next day plan it accordingly. It will be very helpful for you. Believe me, I do it. I do weekly groceries of meat and vegetable, and I make a chart, so it's easy for me. And what I do, कि जो भी घर में बन रहा है, like for my husband or for my kiddo, I don't make extra for myself. I just, if they are having simple sabzi or dalein, so I try to put a little bit of oil into it, and I try to cook food in olive oil or in coconut oil, virgin coconut oil. In my next video, I'm going to share that how you can make shami kebab by only grilling it, or you can have oilless kadai or oilless seekh kebab. So you need to be stay tuned, okay? And don't check your weight often. Believe me, it's not going to work. अगर आप हर हफ्ते, हर 2 दिन बाद या हर अल्टरनेट डे अपना वेट चेक करें, तो आई एम टेलिंग you will get depressed only. So no, say no to checking weight every day. So don't do this. Do it once a month only. Even if after a month you are not losing on scale, believe me, you are losing in inches. I'm telling you this. Don't go hard on yourself. Just remain consistent. Your goal should not be like, I just need to be skinny. Your goal should be, your focus should be on your health first. Last but not the least, remain active. Be active. Believe me, it's going to be very good for your health. No matter what you enjoy the most, just do it. Either it's Zumba, it's active workouts, or it's yoga, simple Pilates, just do it. Zumba is a very fun based kind of workout. I personally like it, but I cannot do it due to my medical reasons, so I switched to yoga. And I find that yoga is not only good for your physical health, but it is also very good for your mental peace. I feel myself at peace after finishing my yoga workouts. I just give 15 to 20 minutes daily, or even if I am unable to give it every day, I just do it every alternate day. So I feel yoga very soothing and very good for your overall being. And I'm going to share some stretches in my coming videos that help me to lose my belly fat. You just need to follow me for getting those videos. Be comfortable in your own skin. Just do whatever you are doing, just do it for yourself. किसी किस्म का आप प्रेशर न लें सोसाइटी का कि इसके लिए ये करना है, इससे कंपटीशन है, इसको करके दिखाना है. जस्ट डू इट फॉर योर सेल्फ. योर हेल्थ शुड बी योर नंबर 1 प्रायोरिटी. वो कहते हैं ना कि जान है तो जहान है. सो इट्स वेरी ट्रू. जान है तो जहान है. I have so much in my mind right now that I am going to share in my next videos, like 1200 calories plans, or what I eat in a day, or what home remedies worked for me. So you all need to stay tuned. Comment, like, subscribe, or you can DM me on my Instagram, where I will be answering your all questions.